I thought bar games were harmless and free fun until I realized that Thai women are almost invincible, and I quickly regretted promising Sherry and Cartoon a drink after each round they won. Now, as the Thailand expert, first-timers from all over the world call before their trips, I'm here to make sure you never get played. Because most tourists lose more than cash during their first Thai bar game. They lose confidence. And with all my nights spent in Bangkok and Pattaya, I learned every trick in the book from the Champions League level bar girls. In this video, I will show you the most popular bar games, explain the rules and the money traps, and give you some tricks to increase your chances of winning and reduce the risk of losing money so you don't end up paying for every round like I did. Now, get to know the most common Thai bar games you can play. Some of these you will know for sure, but wait until you see the games locals play after midnight. Only few tourists survive these ones. Starting with Connect 4. Thais call it Connect 4 too. If you don't know it, it looks simple. Choose a color and then drop your tokens into a 6-row, 7-column grid. The goal is to be the first to form a line of 4. Your estimated winning chance as a newbie, 1%. Here are 3 reasons why you will lose. Well, you never played it or didn't play it for 30 years. Ploy played it every day of her life. You play it slightly drunk. She plays it sober because most lady drinks are just water. She knows the scientifically proven winning strategies. You are distracted by her smile. Here are some golden Connect 4 rules. Whoever goes first has a slight edge. Start in the center column. Gives you the most possible winning path. If you're second and ploy opens in the middle, place your checker on the bottom row of another column. Never stack on top. Build 2 threats at once setup lines, so ploy can only block one. Watch out for the 7 shape trick. Use forcing moves placed that make ploy block you when you prepare your real winning line. Always block ploy's 3s before they hit 4, but don't forget to keep attacking. Now, watch me lose to the beautiful Sherry in Chiang Mai in record-breaking time before I knew any of these winning strategies. I sadly had to mute the sound because of the background music, copyright reasons. Watch. Tip, don't play Connect 4 without any preparation and don't play for drinks. You will always lose and you will lose money. Next game, Jenga. A wooden tower constructed of 54 blocks. You remove one and place it on top and then it's her turn. The game is over when the tower falls. Easy, right? How can anyone have an advantage? Well, I estimate your winning chance around 25%. Why? Because Thai bar stuff knows how to distract you. Through visual distractions, flirts, tickling, even a little kick against the table is very common. You will realize very quickly how competitive Thai women are. Tip, if you want to win it, stay focused. And don't touch the table. Place your glass or bottle carefully. Now how about a round of pool before I show you two very local Thai games? Most bars in Thailand have a pool table. The common discipline is 8 ball, 7 solid colored balls, 7 striped balls, 1 white ball, and the black ball. And when the first solid colored ball falls into a pocket, this player is team solid colored. If it's striped, he's team striped. The goal, clear the table from your balls and then pocket the 8 ball. But you need to call the winning pocket. If you miss, it's Ploy's turn and you think you know pool. Your chance of winning 10%. Why? Here are some Thai bar pool facts. Pool is, along with Connect 4, the game that Thai women are best at. Usually, you will do the break shot. Focus, don't embarrass yourself. As soon as you're on the road to victory, the staff will take notice and try to break your rhythm and focus. Another drink, another flirt, another joke, a little kiss. If that doesn't work, Ploy positions herself in your focus area where you're aiming and then she distracts you. You can imagine how. Tip: play it more often, get better at it, but never play drunk. You risk damaging the table, and that will cost you way more than the drinks and the embarrassment. Now, the first local game. Hilo. This dice game is less about skills and all about luck. Your chance of winning 50%. At first it doesn't make sense, and then it becomes so addicting that you don't want to stop. I even bought this one in a little shop in Bangkok, Chinatown for 180 baht. Here are the Thai bar high-low rules. You have one of these dice shakers. Inside, 5 dices from 1 to 6. The only important numbers, 1 and 6. 1 is good, 6 is bad. The goal is to clear your shaker, but you can only take the ones out. Then both players shake it, put it on the table, look inside car. If you got one or more ones, like I do, great. Take these out and put them aside on the table. Got one or more sixes, like I do, and let's say Ploy doesn't have a 6, then she gets my 6. My shaker is emptier than before. Her shaker is fuller than before. Understand? And if you got more 6s than Ploy, like 3 against 2, then give her 1. You both got the same amount of 6s. Nothing changes. Player with empty shaker wins. Sounds fun, right? Yes, absolutely. That's the problem. It's so fast, entertaining, and addicting that you should be very careful with your bets. 1 drink for every 3 rounds Ploy wins. That's easily 5 drinks in 10 minutes because it's so fast. You want to see how fast it is? Watch me lose high-low against Cartoon in Pattaya. Again, I had to mute the video because of the background music. Copyright. Tip: let the girl teach you high-low for a couple of rounds before you start promising her a drink for every round she wins. And here's the other dice game that I only saw in Thai bars. Jackpot. I believe it's called Shut the Box in the rest of the world, and it's played with a wooden box with small wooden pieces that can be opened. Initially, they read 1 to 9, and when all are turned over, they read dot, jackpot, dot, and that's the goal of the game. The jackpot rules vary from place to place, but the most common rules are these. Both players share 2 dice. On each roll, you can only shut 1 wooden piece. So if you have 5 and 4, you can choose if you shut the 5, the 4, or the combined number, the 9. Example, roll 1 and 6, you can shut 1, 6, or 7. In some bars, you need to shut every tile in 1 winning streak to win the game. This game is also not about strategy and all about luck. It usually draws a crowd. I've never seen another game with so much shouting. It's about as fast-paced as high-low, and is even played in go bars like Elka Angels and Pattaya's Elka Metro. You can imagine how distracted you will be and how high the bill will be playing with Ploy for drinks. Here's Sherry from Chiang Mai again, defeating me in Jackpot within a minute. Tip, play slowly. This will delay the time until the next week. And now you're prepared for a game night in Thailand's bars. But knowing these bar girl lies will make you extra scam-proof.